Hi everyone, this is Mr. Clark, and I'm going to be talking about the Volusia County Fair that's coming up in November. This is a reminder to get your signed permission slip turned into Mr. Clark by this coming Thursday. You do not have to be at the actual race for your car to participate, and if you turn your form in by Thursday, you're guaranteed a spot, and all materials will be paid for you. You do not have to pay for shipping or handling or anything. Just turn in all materials. Make sure you do follow the rules though, or otherwise your car might look something like this. I posted this reminder on Edmodo for you so you can watch it again at your convenience. Go ahead and take out your yellow packet. It looks something like this. Volusia County Fair should be on the top. If you have a highlighter, fantastic. You can use a highlighter, or you can just underline important things that we say as we go along. First off, go ahead and put your first and last name clearly at the top here. Go ahead and print that nice and clear. In case it gets lost, we can return it to you. We're going to be focusing on the CO2 dragsters. So go ahead, underline or highlight CO2 dragsters. The actual race itself is November 9th, which is a Saturday. I will be there with some other volunteers pretty much all day. But the race itself starts at 1 p.m. in Hester Exhibit Hall. So if you can make it, fantastic. You don't even have to have a car, but you can come and check out the race and say hi to me. I'll be there. Moving on. Next, go ahead and highlight the objective and the challenge. Again, you're designing and building your own CO2 dragster to race against other middle school STEM classes. And we're going to skip down to the rules and regulations. This is an in-class project. I can give you time in class to work on it. Some of you already talked to your parent or guardian at open house about possibly taking this project home and finishing it there. If that's the case, then they already know who they are. Okay. If you would like me to ask your parent or guardian for you, if you can take it home and practice on it, that's fine. I can do that. Make sure you go through the rules and regulations. Again, I'll make a follow-up video going deeper into this at a later date. I'm going to skip all the way back to page number 41. It says page 41 at the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and highlight this right here. CO2 Dragsters, Division 1004, Saturday, November 9th at 1 p.m. in Hester Hall. Your cars will be on display during the whole county fair. Once you get it home, once the county fair is finished, you will get to take it home. And they will be shipped back to our school for free, so you don't have to worry about shipping there either. So we're going to flip to the very, very last page. It looks just like this. It's actually page 72 in the packet, but the last page of your handout right here. Instead of having to mail it, you're going to actually just turn it in to me. So right here at the top, go ahead and write turn in to Mr. Clark. Okay. Go ahead and print your first and last name. And you can have your parent or guardian fill this out, or you can fill it out if you know your street address and phone number, etc. But go ahead and fill in your age and your current grade level that you're in right now. Teacher in school. Go ahead and print my name, Mr. Clark, C-L-A-R-K. And we're going to put Southwestern Middle, S-O-U-T-R-N Middle. And that should be good for that part. Next, we're actually going to be racing in class 1004, division, the letter B, like ball. And then our description of our entry. So what are we displaying? What are we racing? It's going to be our here we go. CO2 dragster. D-R-A-G-S-T-E-R. And you are actually going to sign this exhibitor. That's you. So you can sign it. sign. You can put the date and the parent or guardian signature. This is not for you. This is for your parent or guardian. So they can fill that out and then return it to me. So you can turn it in any time starting tomorrow. And if you got any questions, let me know. But I need that form returned and signed so I can put the order in to order new parts for you. There's a couple of examples to get you thinking about it. Here's a past winner. Notice that it is not painted. Again, that helps reduce drag and helps keep your car nice and fast. However, once it's done, the county fair is done, you can paint your car. You can do whatever you like to it. And again, we start off with this big giant block of wood, and then we cut it out, detail it, sand it, making sure to follow all the rules and regulations. Otherwise, we might have one that breaks. Uh-oh. Not good. So if you have any more questions, let me know. And good luck racing.